friends, it's me and my mayonnaise stain will be joining us today for a very exciting video. Because today, I finally got my FABFITFUN box. Get it? Because it's a fun box. That time of year again. And you know, as soon as I got it, I had to open it. I had to take a sneak peek because I am so excited. Big thanks to FABFITFUN for sponsoring this video. So this is the summer 2019 box. FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products that come out 4 times a year. FABFITFUN now lets you customize some of the items in your box. So I'm gonna show you what I got in my box. So FABFITFUN is now shipping to the UK. You can use code WOLF for $10 off your first box. Sign up now so you don't miss out on getting to customize your favorite products. This is all the stuff that you can get. I'm trying to do this video like showing you guys, but I'm just really excited to just dig the F in. You get a HelloFresh gift card. Ooh, $80 gift card. Okay. I want to look through the other stuff. So this one, I didn't see what this one was, but it's Jennifer Zuner jewelry. Oh, hello, just got my nails done. The rare occasion where they don't look janky AF. Okay, so this is jewelry. Oh, it's stars. So it's a star necklace. It's gold. I love gold. And it's got 2 little stars on it. Okay, but how does this actually look like when it is on is the question. I want to try it on. I want to put it on so bad because I don't understand it. It's got 2 stars. It's like a layered necklace. Okay, I know you can barely see it because it's like so dainty. Oh my goodness, that's stinky cute. I love the stars. Adorable. Okay, so I saw this. This is by Grace and Stella. It's spray all day. It's a rose spray. Hydrating rose facial spray. See, this stuff is right up my alley. I freaking am obsessed with facial sprays. Especially rose, and I just got like a watermelon one that I freaking love. Plastic wrap has gotta go. I hate it when it gets like supercharged and it like sticks to everything. You know, protons and neurons and all that stuff. Ooh. Oh my god, it's pink. That is one fat sprayer, okay? We are moist in all the right places. I don't know about you guys, but I freaking love sprays. I don't like taking lotion and just like slathering it all over my face. Like throughout the day, I will just We could go all day. Love this. Next up, we have a Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I love Living Proof. It's a shampoo. Stops frizz and lightly conditions. Oh my god, I actually needed one of these. Like a styling cream. I bought one. But now I'm getting it in this box, which that thing by itself costs like $20. The next thing is something I buy. I have bought like literally 5 of these. I bought like a couple for me. I bought one for my mom. This stuff is amazing. So this is the Kula Makeup Setting Spray. So it's a makeup setting spray. It's a sunscreen, which you have to wear sunscreen every day if you don't want your skin to like get ruined real quick. You have to wear sunscreen every day because the sun, the damage it does is no joke. I actually use this stuff. I bought a bunch of them and they cost over $20. I think closer to like $30 for this thing. And it comes in a nice glass blue bottle. This is like perfect for summer. So as I was saying before, it's a makeup setting spray. It's got SPF 30 sunscreen spray, which is so hard to find. Sunscreen is really annoying to put on, and just having it as a spray and a makeup setting spray, like it makes it really easy. And I think it had hyaluronic acid in it too, I believe. And I believe it had other stuff. And the ingredients is made of cucumber fruit extract, algae, aloe. Like when you see those as like the first ingredients, you're like, damn, that's a good freaking product. So far, we've acquired 2 sprays, which I'm very happy about. Next thing, I'm excited to use this tonight because my friend is over and I wanted to do masks anyway. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So it's a purple mask. I'm going to open this up. Is it really purple though? Inside is purple too. No, go back in. I didn't want you out. Not like this. It smells like clay. I don't know what I expected it to smell like. Next up, exfoliating foot mask by Whish. It's reflective. You can't really read it. There we go. Smooths and softens. Intense hydration. Ooh, exactly what I need, because y'all know how dank my feet get, especially when I wear sandals. Okay, you know what? Your girl needs to use this. Is that what this smells like? Oh my god. This smells like something in my childhood. This has triggered a scented memory. I don't know what it is. Something nostalgic about this. Is it the willow bark extract? I think that's what the smell is. The willow. Ooh, it smells smoky. It also smells like tea. Oh, it's got a black tea leaf extract. Good stuff, good stuff. Next, we have a yoga towel. Please be a yoga towel. Vicks by Paula Hermanni. It's a yoga towel. I needed one of these. You know, every time I would go to yoga, I would just like borrow one of them. I would never bring my own. I don't know, I never got around to buying one. Why are yoga towels so expensive? I didn't want to pay like a stupid amount for it. But now I have one and it's cool. Hold on, I gotta show you the shape. It's not just any yoga towel. It's a freaking lotus shaped yoga towel. Cool. Ooh, I got the hair bands. We're not done yet. There's so much stuff in this. These are invisible bobble and they're hair ties. I did want to try these. High wearing comfort. Ooh, but do they work? So these are for high ponytails, which I love. Let's test these out. Out with the old boring 99-cent hair tie, in with the new. I feel like this is gonna rip out my hair. No? They're supposed to not rip out your hair though. Y'all like my hair? And the last one. Ooh. It's a beach bag. And of course I needed a beach bag. And it's a cute one. Yes. So I can take all my new stuff and put them in here. Don't mind me. Oh my god, you could have gotten a blow dryer. I'm like looking at all the stuff I could have missed out on. You could have got like a floral robe. See, I'm always gonna look at the stuff and be like, I want everything. But I do want this. This is nice. I wanted the bum bum cream. Dang, total value of this box, $270 to over $460. Bro, that's actually insane. What? They had $160 face masks? That's fancy. Okay, well that was really fun. Now I'm sad because there's nothing else to open. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the link in the description below. Get your summer box now and make sure you use my code WOLF for 10% off and free shipping on your first box. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!